What's up, everybody? It's your boy DJ Reese. Have you ever dreamt of making money while you sleep? In this video, we're diving deep into the top 5 affiliate programs that can turn that dream into a reality. We'll be exploring the ins and outs of each program, breaking down the benefits, and showing you how to maximize your earnings. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting, this video is your golden ticket to financial freedom. Smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on these life-changing tips. Let's get this money. First up, the heavyweight champion of affiliate marketing, Amazon Associates. Who doesn't love Amazon? It's a household name, trusted by millions around the globe. It's like the ultimate online shopping mall, and you can get a cut of every sale you refer. Imagine earning money while people shop for their favorite items. Millions of products, from electronics to clothing to books. Massive opportunity right there. The variety is endless, catering to every niche and interest. Whether you're running a blog, a YouTube channel, or just posting on social media, Amazon makes it super easy to drop those affiliate links and start earning commissions. The integration is seamless and the potential is huge. We're talking about up to 10% commission on every single sale. That can add up quickly, turning your online presence into a revenue-generating machine. Amazon Associates is incredibly beginner-friendly, with tons of resources and support to help you succeed. From tutorials to customer service, they've got you covered. So, whether you're just dipping your toes into affiliate marketing or you're a seasoned pro, Amazon Associates is a no-brainer. It's a reliable and profitable way to monetize your content and grow your income. Moving on to another affiliate powerhouse, ClickBank. If you're looking for high commission rates, listen up. ClickBank offers some of the highest commission rates in the game, up to 75% on some products. ClickBank has a massive marketplace with thousands of products in every niche imaginable, from health and fitness to online marketing to personal development. They provide comprehensive training, resources, and support to help you succeed as an affiliate marketer. So, if you're ready to tap into a gold mine of high-ticket products and sky-high commissions, ClickBank is calling your name. Get ready to watch your passive income soar to new heights. Now, let's talk about a platform that's been a trusted name in the affiliate marketing game for over 2 decades. ShareASale, with a history of excellence and a commitment to innovation. ShareASale has consistently delivered top-notch services to its users. If you're looking for reliability, a user-friendly interface, and a vast network of merchants to partner with, ShareASale has got your back. Their platform is designed to make your experience as smooth and efficient as possible. They have a rigorous vetting process for merchants, so you can be sure that you're promoting reputable brands and products. This ensures that your audience receives only the best, enhancing your credibility and trustworthiness. Their interface is so clean and intuitive, even your grandma could navigate it. The simplicity of the design means you spend less time figuring things out and more time growing your business. Whether you're tech savvy or just starting, you'll have no problem getting started with your affiliate campaigns. ShareASale provides all the tools and resources you need to succeed, regardless of your experience level. From fashion and beauty to home goods and travel, you're sure to find the perfect partners to align with your brand and audience. The diversity of merchants available means there's something for everyone. ShareASale is known for its timely payments. You can count on receiving your earnings on schedule, which is crucial for maintaining your cash flow and planning your finances. So if you're looking for an established and reliable affiliate platform, ShareASale is your go-to solution. With its robust features and stellar reputation, it's the perfect partner for your affiliate marketing journey. If you're ready to partner with some of the biggest and most recognizable brands in the world, then step into the ring with Commission Junction, or CJ for short. CJ is a global affiliate marketing network that connects advertisers with a massive network of publishers. We're talking Fortune 500 companies, household names, and industry giants. With CJ, you can promote products, services, subscriptions, and even leads. CJ gives you the flexibility to choose the products and brands that resonate with your audience. They provide robust tracking and reporting tools, giving you valuable insights into your campaign performance. So if you're ready to play in the big leagues and partner with global brands, CJ is the platform for you. Last but not least, let's talk about a platform that's all about data-driven affiliate success, Rakuten Marketing. This platform is designed to help you make the most out of your affiliate marketing efforts. If you're serious about optimizing your campaigns, tracking your results, and maximizing your earnings, then Rakuten Marketing is the tool you need. It offers a comprehensive suite of features that cater to all your marketing needs. Rakuten Marketing is here to empower you. With its user-friendly interface and powerful tools, you can easily manage and grow your affiliate marketing business. Rakuten Marketing is known for its advanced analytics and reporting capabilities, which are second to none in the industry, giving you a deep dive into your campaign performance. We're talking real-time data, customizable dashboards, and detailed metrics that help you understand every aspect of your campaigns, and in-depth reports that provide you with actionable insights. These insights are crucial for making informed decisions and improving your marketing strategies. They offer dedicated account management and support, ensuring that you have a helping hand every step of the way. Their team of experts is always ready to assist you with any questions or challenges you might face, ensuring that you have a helping hand every step of the way. This level of support can make a significant difference in your success. Rakuten Marketing partners with a diverse range of brands across various industries, providing you with numerous opportunities to find the perfect products to promote, giving you a wide selection of products and services to promote. So whether you're in fashion, tech, or any other niche, you'll find something that fits your audience. If you're ready to unlock the power of data-driven affiliate marketing and take your earnings to the next level, Rakuten Marketing is the platform for you. And take your earnings to the next level, Rakuten Marketing is the platform for you. It's time to harness the power of data and transform your affiliate marketing journey. Rakuten Marketing is the platform for you. Start today and see the difference it can make in your affiliate marketing success. There you have it, folks, the top 5 affiliate programs that can unlock a world of wealth building opportunities. From Amazon Associates to ClickBank, ShareASale, Commission Junction, and Rakuten Marketing, there's an affiliate program out there for everyone. Remember, building a passive income stream takes time, effort, and consistency. But with the right mindset, strategies, and affiliate partners, you can achieve financial freedom. Start your affiliate marketing journey today and watch your passive income grow. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more money-making tips and tricks. Until next time, peace out.